Your Highness, your distinguished family, and all the distinguished members of the Tainui who are here today. I am breaking tradition today, and it's because when all the speeches are said and done, that is it. No one else stands up to say anything more. Aotula Fale has spoken, and Radui has spoken. We thank you for those kind words. But I'm breaking tradition because I feel very humble today. As Aotula Fale said, we come with humility. And we go with humility. And as you can see, we come in peace. I don't come with a gun or anything like that, as those before us did. But I come with my ukulele, because there's nothing nicer than music, song and dance, to express peace. And that's what humbles me and all of us today. We thank you for the invitation. We thank you for hosting us today. And what a beautiful feast that was. And I invite you all to Samoa. What I can say is that it's warmer than Aotearoa. I've been sitting here today shaking. Yes, but I'm humble. And I'm warmed by the warmth of your hospitality. There is one person in particular that I want to say thank you to, and that's Tupaka. Hotu, you're a special person in our relationship. We've known each other for many years. And now finally, I've come to your land. And I find it hard to find words to express my gratitude for that. But I think we've established a relationship here today, and I mean, and I'm serious, that if any of you come to Samoa, the Ainga for Love, our Voyaging Society, will welcome you with open arms and look after you. Your Highness, some of us have to go north using the Palangi's Kawale. Yes, we drove down in the Palangi Kawale. I did not come on the Ngawarofa, but we have things to attend to in Auckland this evening. And I'm sorry that when we've sung this last song, we will depart and we will say goodbye to you. May God bless you and your family, and may God bless all the people of Tainui who are here today. We thank you once again, and I'd like to ask my Ainga Folau to come forward and we will sing this final song. And we don't expect another response from your side because we have to go. It would be lovely to stay on here, but we have to go. But thank you very much. Ay nga follow. Goodbye, my family. Thank you very much.